Before do it, we will need rice, green onion, termite mushroom, purple onion, and some pepper. Termite mushroom we will clean it with water. We wash it and we can use your hands and then we soak in the water. It could be 1 hour to make the dirty thing, the sand, the land, and the insect inside the termite mushroom put out. Green onion, we will chop it. Purple onion, we will red it to make rice onion. We put some oil and turn on the fire. Make the oil burn. And then we put the purple onion. And turn low the fire. When you fry this purple onion, low fire will make the purple onion will very delicious, crumbly, not too tender. It will take you a few times, but this is necessary because the long you do it, you will make the perfect purple onion. If you fry it too much faster, it will dirty easily and it will not delicious. You can cook this for bánh tráng trộn, dry paper with cream sauce. When you see the purple onion become change to the yellow color, you very carefully. When you see it like this, change become to yellow, turn off the fire and stir it on the pan. And you can see it's totally changed to color, yellow color to, but not to black. If you don't turn up the fire immediately, it will change to black. And it will make the purple onion not perfect. You see? Now it's perfect. I very love this ingredient because it's so delicious, crumbly, and easy to try. And then after the termite mushroom totally clean, we will remove the dirty water and wash it in the water to make it totally clean, and then we fry it on the pan. And we will put some just little oil. Then we put the standard termite mushroom and stir it carefully. Why, if you don't like dry it, you can polish it. The reason I fry it because I want it to make not much tender when I cook the soup. When I cook my mushroom soup. And we fry it, the termite mushroom will pull out a lot of water. You see, this is water of mushroom. It's very totally sweet and it's very have a lot of nutrients. Why you fry the rice? Because when you fry the rice, we make the soup the smell is very good and it will make it delicious. Almost Vietnamese people will dry the rice before they cook the soup. It will make the rice not too stressed when we cook the soup. when when you see some of the rice change to color, we will turn up the fire and start to make soup. We will boil the water. We boil water and put the rice in. Stir it and wait it until it boils. The ratio of the water and the rice at your flavor, because the rice will often extreme often, so you really want to. When it boils, we will stir the rice. Will not the rice on the pot sticky. Will and waiting for 13 minutes. After 13 minutes, and you see the rice is totally tender, and then we put the termite mushroom. And then stir it. It's so good. And waiting for 3-5 minutes and it's done. We put green onion, rice purple onion, stir it, a little pepper, and it's finished. Turn up the fire. And we have termite mushroom soup. It's so totally sweet and it's very have a lot of nutrients, and you have one season in 1 year. So enjoy your food and hope you enjoy my video clip about mushroom, about Vietnamese food. Give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel to see more about Vietnamese food. Thank you and see you again.